Hi, this is your host Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to Whiz Kids, a show where we bring to you some of the brightest kids from all over the world. Today, Ishanvi Soni joins us from Chandigarh. She's a ninth grader from Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School. Ishani is a keen learner in her own words. She's a harmonium player, classical singer, calligraphist, baker, sports person. She's so many, interest, and she does so many things. She's an NCC cadet. So we'll ask Ishanvi how she manages to do all these things. So Ishanvi, welcome to Wonder Publish magazine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So Ishanvi, as you said in your own words, that you're a keen learner, first of all. So let us begin with this pandemic. What did you learn during this prolonged pandemic?
I have learned quite a lot of things. I opened my doors for the love of gardening. I started to write poems, and I never thought that I could write poems. And I also started to take out notations on my harmonium, and it's a god-gifted talent. I don't know how do I do that.
You don't take credit for anything?
No, not at all. It's just, it comes out very naturally. And I started to paint quite a lot in this pandemic.
That's wonderful.
And yeah, I also learned Vedas, mantras.
Vedas,
I
you
love
read
to
Vedas?
chant. I love to chant. And there's this long Ganesh Prarthana that I learned.
Wow.
Oh, it's very nice.
You want to?
It's a lovely one.
Yeah. Please go ahead if you want to recite that.
It's very long.
It's very.
I have a short one.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Om Shri Guru Bhyor Namaha Hari Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshtharajan Brahmanam Brahmanaspat Anashrinvannotibhis Siddha Sadhanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vajephirvajnivati Dhinama Vitrayavatu Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatai Namaha Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha Hari Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Wonderful, Ishanvi. We don't have an audience right now, but I mean, in a live setup, it would have garnered much applause. Wonderful. So Ishanvi, I mean, we can see clearly you're very devoted. You're very, devoted to, as you said, that it's a God-gifted talent. You attributed your talents to God. So, and you were reading Vedas during pandemic, and you're also keenly interested in mythology, right? So tell us, first of all, which is your favorite mythological character?
I don't have a favorite mythological character.
Okay.
Like, there's so much to learn from each one of them. As for taking Mahabharata, like each character is representing different people and the stage of life. So there's a lot to learn from each one of them. So you can't say a favorite character. Like for me, I don't have a favorite.
Okay. So kids, generally at your age, don't read Mahabharata, Ramayana and all to such extent. So who introduced you to Mahabharata and all these scriptures?
Those small bedtime stories, I guess my mother used to
Your mother,
narrate.
okay.
Those bedtime stories, Panchtantra,
right,
and tales about Mahabharata, Ramayana. I guess most parents do that.
okay.
Those bedtime stories.
Right.
Beyond Cinderella and Snow White.
Wonderful. And as I told, in the introduction, that apart from many things, you also draw, right? You started to paint as well, as you told. So can you show us any of your drawings, if you have?
Yeah,
right now?
I have many of them. This is one of my favorites. This is Lord Shiva.
Okay, wonderful.
And this was a schoolwork.
Oh, so wonderful. Don't limit yourself. That's wonderful.
and Lord Krishna, Radha Krishna,
Great, you're a great artist, Ishanvi.
and this poster, India.
Okay, wonderful. Vande Mataram. Great, great. That's wonderful. So you also play harmonium, and you're also a classical singer. So you're training under any teacher right now?
No,
Okay,
no.
okay, okay. So, but you also write your own, poems which you recite. So
Yes,
would you like to recite poems as well?
yeah, I have. Okay. The title is In Quest of Light, and
Okay.
it goes like, the world is searching as it's really hard for reaching. A ray of hope as strong and tough as a rope, which one can hold on as life goes on. One will need some light to make their lives bright. I don't know why do I have to pen this down. Well, I think at some moments we give up and drown, stressed and muddled up in our minds with memories which are really hard to unbind. Why am I even living? My mind and its random questions keep on filling. I'm not so sure whom to ask, as to answer them is quite a hard task. I really have a huge pile of questions to inquire. Don't you think they could be answered by a lawyer? I wish if I could have an appointment with the creator, I'll surely ask him later. Well, what I think is that one should find a Sarathi like Krishna for the journey. Mark my words, your life will become sweeter than honey.
Wow, wonderful. Great.
Thank
Tell me,
you.
how do you manage your time? Because not many people, have that many interests. You do all these things. So first of all, tell me, how do you manage your time? How do you manage to do all these things with your school going on?
I don't have a proper schedule.
Mhm.
I usually wake up at 6 or 7, sometimes at 5, depending upon the work I have in mind. And I go out for cycling, and then I come back, I study, and sometimes I sleep again, or
Okay.
sometimes it just depends. And then I have my school classes from 11 to 2.
Okay.
After that, I complete my work, and the day goes by doing playing harmonium, and I devote time to each of the
Right.
activities. Then at night I study again,
Right.
and I sleep at 11:30.
Wonderful. So are your parents also artists? Do they also have interest in all these,
My mother used to
areas?
paint canvases, but
Okay.
uh, but she never taught me.
Okay.
Like she has her canvas and
Yeah.
everything. She's a good
Which
painter.
brings me, to the next question that you wrote in your wonderful profile, which you sent me earlier, that you're a self-learned person. You learned all these things, on your own. So how did you do it? I mean, from where did you start, first of all?
I don't may I think it was because of the school activities, those
Okay.
bulletin boards we used to make, bulletin boards, weekly, monthly bulletin boards. We
Mm-hmm.
each class had to prepare one,
Mm-hmm.
like for Army Day, Christmas, Diwali. We used to
Okay.
prepare those bulletin boards. So we used to paint, draw. The whole class used to work together, and we used to have a lot of fun. And school activities, I think, then I just started to explore myself to the beyond, and I started to play harmonium.
Right.
My mother was a harmonium player, like
Okay.
she
See.
but she can't take out
Okay.
notations.
All right. All right. Any particular, teachers, I mean, who encouraged you uh, more than others, your favorite teachers, let's say?
um all teachers motivate, like they have their own subjects and they have their own way of teaching. All of them inspire us and motivate us through their own ways.
But there must be
So
a
no one
favorite
in
one now.
particular.
There must be a favorite teacher. Come on.
Okay. Well, our physical education teacher,
Okay. What's
maybe
her
it's
name?
a subject, the Chitali ma'am.
Ah, wonderful. Wonderful. That's great. Okay. So speaking of classes,
She
no, please complete.
classes
Please
on
complete.
She sometimes talks beyond her subject, like life or those small things. They really impact a lot.
Hmm. That's wonderful. I mean, she interacts
Those
well,
small
she
little things.
communicates well,
Yeah,
and teaches you other things as well. That's wonderful.
like
And
meditation and those
meditation, you do meditation?
things. Yeah, physical education. Yeah, I also do, and she also teaches us
Oh, okay.
Nadi Shodham and Brastika
Wow.
and all things.
Okay,
It's
so
a
tell
nice
me one
session.
thing. Okay, tell me one thing. What is it that you don't do? Because I hear everything.
I
I
don't
don't think
think
anything is
there's a
left.
thing that I don't do.
Wonderful. It's unbelievable. Okay. So, speaking of your classes, how was your experience with online classes? Any particular problems you faced during that time?
No such problem besides my eyesight. My
It,
number
it
has
affected
increased.
your eyes,
Yeah,
the screen time?
I had spectacles before, but the number has increased,
Okay.
and and online classes were good. They were
They were good,
flexible.
but
They were
screen time.
convenient.
Mhm.
They were convenient. But sitting on the chair was like a bit
Yeah,
boring.
correct,
Sitting
correct,
all
correct, correct. So initially, I mean, it was not compulsory to switch on the cameras, right? It
no, it
became
was
compulsory
compulsory.
later.
In our school, it was
They were
compulsory
compulsory. Okay.
to
I'm
switch
sure you
on the
guys must have
cameras.
had fun, during online classes. We've seen many videos and all. It's wonderful. So Ishanvi, I mean, you must be hearing about this new formula of, uh, first of all, the board exams got cancelled of your seniors, and this whole new formula is derived uh, to get, to assess their performance. So what do you feel? I mean, you are also promoted, I guess, without a final assessment, if I'm not wrong.
No, I was in class 8th and
Yeah.
I have been promoted.
Yes.
We,
So what do you think of,
we,
these promotions and all these, different.
I guess they could have found a better option rather than
Mhm,
canceling them,
mhm.
because preparing for boards is a lot more different than giving other exams. The
Correct.
way children prepare for boards is completely different. They
True.
work a lot.
Yeah, yeah. It's very
Just
impactful as well.
canceling them wasn't good.
Correct, correct, correct. So apart from, your, let's say, health issues, let's say eyesight, you didn't face any other problem in terms of resources, in terms of
No,
access
network
to other
problems.
network
Network
problems.
problems.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, they're there. But no, I mean, software issues, no resource. I mean, if you
No.
wanted a book, you got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so coming to your other activities, you're an NCC cadet. So when did you, at what age did you join NCC? And
Class 8. Class
so
8.
last year you got into NCC.
Yeah.
Anything, fun that you did during that time? But
It was
there was
all
COVID.
online.
Yeah, yeah, COVID, correct.
Yeah. It was online and we didn't get our uniforms. Those
Right.
NCC uniforms.
Yeah, it's a big deal. Yeah.
And we went for shooting, rifle shooting. And
Mm-hmm.
it was a really nice experience holding the rifle and shooting. It was really
Okay.
good.
So you're looking forward to being in that uniform and doing this in
Uniform.
person.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. So let's say we take you in, future. We use a time machine and we go into future. So how do you look at your career from here? What do you want to become, and what do you want your life to be in future?
I want my life to be devoted towards the needy. Like I have the capability to do something to help the ones who are needy. So
Okay.
I should do that and I look forward. And for that, I need power.
Power.
And power comes from education. And so I aspire to become an IAS officer.
Okay. So you believe in empowerment and empowering others.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So who are the people you look up to in your life?
Those faces at the roadside. the things
They
I
inspire
read in the
you.
newspaper.
I get it. They inspire you.
Yeah, they inspire me to work
Mhm,
for them.
mhm.
News channels and everything, everyone.
Everyone, right? And speaking of your parents, how was their support? I mean, uh, what do they think of your, studies, your performances? I mean, there's a lot of memes online which says that Indian parents are never satisfied, so they constantly ask for more and more and more. So, how are things on your end?
My parents have been very satisfied and they have been very
Clearly,
motivating,
right?
encouraging, and no such
No
things
such
from my
pressures
side.
and
No,
expectations.
nothing,
That's
nothing.
wonderful. That's wonderful. Ishanvi, you must have, some favorite books as well. So if I ask you to tell our audience, let's say younger students who look up to you, which books would you, prescribe?
There are many books written by Sudha Murthy. The
Sudhamurthy.
unusual tales about Mahabharata, unusual
Mhm.
tales about Rama and Krishna, the Trinity. And I recently read a book named Aunt Alice, written by Eugenia Travis. It's a
Mhm.
journal converted into a book,
Right.
and I have read that book thrice. It was my third
Thrice.
reading to that book. Yeah,
Wow.
it's
Amazing, amazing, Ishanvi.
Sudha Murthy books are amazing. They are
Amazing. Great, great.
completely different
Yeah, she has
and
written a lot of
engrossing.
books. Correct. Wonderful. So Ishanvi, anything else you want to talk about? Because I think you do so many things. I'm sure we didn't touch upon many things. So if you want to touch upon them.
I would like to tell the ones who are sitting at home and are thinking that it's really boring to sit, but it's better to sit at home rather than at the hospital and wear your mask properly. Breathing the air from the mask is much better than the air at the hospital. So stay home,
Correct,
stay
correct,
safe.
correct. So you're not going out at all. How
I go out for cycling.
you go out for cycling in the morning?
Yeah,
All
in
right.
the
So you're
morning
keeping safe.
with my mask on.
With your mask on. So you all have heard Ishanvi that please keep your mask on. Don't go out unnecessarily, and do exercise like she goes for cycling. And from all the things, I mean, from being classical singer, harmonium player, poet, writer. And let me also tell you that when Ishanvi sent me profile, I was thoroughly impressed. It's written, the way professionals expect, the freshers to write. So she's a wonderful writer as well, in my view. So Ishanvi, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
We hope you keep safe and keep safe everyone around you as well. And you're clearly, on the right path. So all the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you in the next episode.